Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my puppy here because I've been trying to do this intro for like half an hour and it's not working out. So I'm gonna put them in the cage. Yep. I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally can do the intro because I've been trying for half an hour. My puppies don't let me, but that's besides the point. But welcome. I don't think I've properly introduced myself like ever. So my name is Alondra. I do videos not that often, but I do it when I have the time. And today I just wanted to do a classic YouTube timeless video that everyone, oh, this shirts. I don't think this is on right. Who cares? I wanted to do a what's in my bag video because I watch those videos so often, so I finally decided to do my own. And then having my new recent purchase, what is this one called again? Oh my god, why am I having a brain fart? The Vanity case by Chanel. I purchased this baby very recently. I have a video of the unboxing. I'll link it down below if you guys haven't watched it. But this purchase has been less than a month, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'm really bad with keeping track of time. But this purchase was a impulse purchase and I don't regret it. I love it so much. I surprisingly, regardless of the price and regardless of the brand, you guys stop please. I try my best to not baby it because I mean it's just a material item. It's replaceable. There are way more important things in life than a piece of, you know, leather. So I use it so often and I feel like it's been keeping up really well. The only thing that I did notice, a little review, a little update, is that the threading here is, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll insert a close-up video of this, but that's the only thing I've noticed and it's a little disappointing. I mean, I have my Louis and it doesn't do that. I have so many other bags and they don't do that. Regardless of the threading, everything else seems to be okay with the bag, but let's get into the unboxing or else I'll keep talking forever. A lot of things fit inside, surprisingly. I do notice that the more you try to fit inside, the bulkier it looks and it looks kind of wanky. It doesn't look wanky. Is that a word? Oh my god. But it looks kind of awkward. Like the shaping of the bag is not as cute as it's supposed to be. Like it's supposed to be very squared. Why did I say it like that? The bag is supposed to be very square, but if you fit a lot of items, it tends to be like lumpy right here, and it doesn't look real. It doesn't look cute at all. So I just put whatever I feel like I need for the day. But this is as realistic as can be. I used this bag throughout the weekend, so it has a lot of things inside, and I haven't cleaned it up. But the first thing I have is this Kat Von D powder that I really like. It minimizes your pores, so I tend to have pores right here, and I literally just dab it on throughout my skin throughout the day if I ever get oily, which I tend not to, but with the sun in Texas it's really hot here, so I just dab it on and it minimizes the pores and it's amazing. It's a really great product. This is the first item. The other item I have is the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. This baby is amazing. I was obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but this one's way better. I really like this one and I prefer this one. The other item I have is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Also, I used to be obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, the one with the fine the one with the fine end, not the one with the little edge. The Anastasia Brow Wiz, the classic one. I used to use that one a lot, but I noticed that what is this called? I forgot what this is called. I know. Anyways, this thing, the one that you brush out your brow hairs, ay, se me olvidó cómo se dice, quién sabe. I forgot. But anyways, this used to break off the Anastasia Brow Wiz and it would piss me off. So I just tried this one. I love this one so much better. These things I have them because I'll explain it later. But I also have a eyelash curler. I got this when I was in Houston. It's the Kevin Aquan eyelash curler, $22. It's really good, but I think I've tried better ones. The girl at Sephora said it was amazing, that I needed it, and she recommended me this one, but I mean, I've had better. Also, the next item is the Travelo. This item, I received it free at Dillard's when I purchased a perfume, and it's really good. I think right now I haven't put on perfume today. It's the Miss Dior, the classic one. Everything I mentioned, I'm gonna put it down below. This item is so cool. You just, the little pump right here, you literally just pump it on the perfume and you can fill it up as many times as you want. It's really cool. Why do I say a lot? Oh my god. The next item I have, it is the Too Faced Melted Lipstick. I think this is expired. I've had it for over 2-3 years, but I really enjoy this color. It's what I'm wearing right now. I don't wear it like full, with its full opacity. Is it opacity? With the full color. I literally just dab it on, and I grab a napkin, and I really like the outcome of this color. So this one, I've been using it for the past 2-3 weeks. And this this big thing I carry inside my bag as well, because Texas is boiling. It is so hot. Earlier this morning it was raining and it was chilly. I was like, what's going on? There was no sun. It was awesome. And then maybe an hour ago the sun came out, and now it's boiling. It's so nasty, but it is what it is, right? So this baby, it's the one from Farsali. I love this item. It is the Rose Gold Skin Mist, the 24K gold infused one, and it's so good. I don't want to spray it on because I have mascara, so I don't want it to smudge, but because I just applied it on like an hour ago, because I never wear makeup, just for the video. But anyways, this thing, I try to spray it on whenever I feel a little like, ay, tan caliente, it's so hot. So I just put it on, and it refreshes me immediately. I also put it on even when I do makeup. I put it on before as a primer, or when I finish setting makeup, which is rare. I just I just put on my eyebrows and lipstick throughout the day, and that's all I wear. It's too hot to be wearing foundation, seriously. So I use this as a setting mist whenever I do wear makeup. You can use this thing to hydrate, prime, and set your face. So it's 3-in-1, and it's, I think, $60. It's a little pricey, but I've been using it so much, and I've only used about that much. So I mean, is it worth it? I don't know. I like it. I love it. The next item I have is this Pochette Matisse. What is this called? The Pochette accessories, the one that I did an unboxing video also on my channel. I'll link that below as well. But I carry this as, it's like my little wallet. I love to put everything that I always need with me inside here. So whenever I'm switching bags, it's easy to just get everything out all at once, instead of getting things out one by one, and then you end up misplacing and losing your debit cards like I do almost every month, which is super embarrassing. But this is my last item in the bag. I try not to have, like I said, a lot of things, because I don't want to lose things, because I lose things so often. But inside here is my like essentials. I have a pad just in case I ever get my period. I have eye drops for my contacts that I wear every day, or I try to, well, sometimes I wear my glasses, but I have eye drops in here because my eyes tend to get dry. I have a chapstick that I've had for over like 3-4 months now. It's really good. It's the classic one. This one smells really nice. I also have a VT21 and VT Cosmetics Koya lipstick. This shade, back then, this is like a random story, or a random like little fact, I would not wear colors like this. Like now, it's been like 2-3 weeks that I've been using it now, because I don't wear makeup, so I feel weird just wearing lipstick and eyebrows, because I feel like, oh, I don't know, like a bold lip makes me feel like, oh, I need foundation, which is not true. Technically, that's not true. I mean, Michelle Phan doesn't even wear foundation as like either, so I don't know. I just feel weird wearing just a bright color such as this one by itself on the face, because I feel like I need concealer, powder, something on to make it feel like, oh, makeup. But I really don't care anymore. I just put on my eyebrows, a little bit of highlighter, bronzer if I feel like it, and I put on a little pink or red lipstick, and I dab it on. Like I said, I don't put it on like 100%, but I do try to dab it and just put a little color in my lips, you know, to give me a little life. This lipstick is from the BTS line with the VT Cosmetics, and it's so cute. Like, look at that. I don't know if it's in focus, but it is so adorable. I love it so much. It's so cute. I love it. It's my favorite lipstick right now, besides this one, but I need to repurchase because it's expired. My debit card, which I need to put inside this because I don't want to lose it. This is a little card holder that I also have from BT21. I love Koya. He's my favorite character. I really enjoy this one. It was like less than $10, I believe. I got it in, I don't know if I got this online or at H Mart, and what was it, at Houston? I'm not too sure, but I really like this one. It's so cute. I used to use my YSL one, but this one's cuter in my opinion. I also have cash because sometimes you need cash, you know? I also have another lip balm. Wait, did I say lip balm? Yep, I do. Another lip balm, and another lip balm because I love lip balms. I have dry lips and I just try to hydrate them as much as I can. This one's from Laneige. This one's really, really good. It's the peach flavored one or peach scented one. Really, really good, but I try to use this one when I'm not outside because if it's windy, it tends to get stuck in your hair and you're like, so this one, I like it indoors. This one also has like a nice shade of pink. It's the one from, Sugar, yeah, Fresh Sugar. This one's really nice. It has a nice shade of pink right there. It's really, really hydrating. This one also gives you a little color to your lips, and it's really moisturizing. So I really like to use this one. Sometimes it'll melt if you leave it in the car, so I try not to do that. But if you do, you're screwed. The lipstick literally falls apart, and you have to buy a new one or put it in the freezer because that happened to me already 2 times. And the last lip balm I have is from Heart, I believe that's what it's called. It is in the color Bet, and it is just a white, cute little lip balm. The pink shade. I don't know if you guys can see the color. It's very, very nice. I like this one a lot. It tints your lips a little, but not really. Unless you apply it with pressure, then it'll give you like a super juicy pink lip, and it's so yummy. I love this one so much, and I think I got all of these are purchased from Sephora. And I have very last items. Doesn't smell bad, right? No. I forgot I put coins in here. I don't like to put coins in my little bags because it tends to smell bad after a certain amount of time. So I just have like 70 cents in my baggie, and that's pretty much it. That's all I have inside my bag. Nothing else is inside here. That's pretty much it for my what's in my bag video. I don't have anything else inside here. I think it fits a fair amount of items. I think I can fit more things inside it, but I just, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I don't want it to be too bulgy and too lumpy looking. So I just try to keep my things to a minimum. I feel like this baggie really helps a lot with keeping your things organized and one single location. You don't have to get this one, of course, but a little pouch is very helpful, and it keeps all your things nice and neat. So I recommend getting a little pouch for your bag. And yep, that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I entertained you for a brief moment of your time. And thank you. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.